Hello friends, I welcome you all to this lecture on Python programming, solving problems using Python programming. So in this particular lecture, what we'll be doing is, we will be learning that how to check whether a number entered by user is a palindrome number or not. So the question is, what is a palindrome number or what is a palindrome? So if I'm having a number 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, and if I write this number in the reverse order, that is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So if I compare, then these numbers are coming as same. So if a number when reversed is the same as the number itself, so the number and the reverse number both are same, then that particular number is called as a palindrome number. And how to evaluate it? It is a very easy thing, because in the previous lecture you have seen that how to reverse a number. So in this, we just have to check what? We just have to check whether the original number is same as that of a reverse number or not. And if the original number is same, then that is palindrome. If it is not same, then that is not a palindrome number. Simple. So let us do it. What we have to see, that whether a number is a palindrome or not. So palindrome number, check. So sorry, this program will remain the same, only slight tweaking will be required. So let us do it. Now we will be requiring this original number, because in the process of finding or reversing the number, what we have done is we have made this n as 0. So that's why we required this. And now this is our strength here. In this case, what we have to simply check, that if the reverse number is same as the original number, then print what? That the number is what? Is a palindrome. Else we will be printing that the number is not palindrome. So let us copy this. So the number is not palindrome. That's it. So simple. So friends, remember always, logic developed in a particular program can be used for so many programs with slight modification, slight changes. Because in majority of the programs, what we have done, if you remember, we have started with first counting the numbers, then printing the numbers, then summing and producting them up, then reversing them, and then finding this. So they all are related. That's why I am able to use the same program code many times. So if I run this thing, so let the number is 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So if we reverse this number, then it is a palindrome. Okay, so if we run it, if we run it, so the number is a palindrome. So let's check another number, 1, 2, 3. Is it a palindrome? No, it is not a palindrome. So the number is not palindrome. So simple. Friends, always remember, writing program irrespective of platform, that is irrespective of programming language, is very easy. The only thing which is required is a perfect logic. So writing program is not about becoming master of a particular programming language. No, not at all. Because mastering a language means remembering certain type of syntax. Becoming a good programmer means understanding the logic behind a problem and converting that logic into a mathematical expressions. as we have done it here. So, if you are in a position to develop a mathematical logic behind any problem, then you take my words that you are a good programmer, because by just looking up a particular book, just learning syntax, how to write a particular thing, you can do it. But developing logic for a program is something which is very difficult sometimes, and which is also interesting if you start building that habit of uh, converting problems into mathematical form. So, in this lecture, till this point only. In the next lecture, we'll be doing some more problem. Thank you very much for watching it.